Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create the glow up split transition using CapCut. This effect will give a smooth switch between your normal look and your transform look, just like a fashion or makeover video. So let's get started. First, just open your CapCut and then import your first video. This is the one where you wear your casual outfit like this. You can pose or walk like a model in front of the camera. And then next, also import your second video and make sure it's recorded at the same spot and angle with the same pose. But in this time, just wear your makeup and stylish outfit like this. And then next, just drag your second video on top of the first one as an overlay. Just make it as an overlay like this, and then just drag it over the first one like this. And then to make the transitions perfect, both clips need to have the same timing. Reduce the opacity of your second video like this. It will help you align the movement easily when the pose is matched perfectly, bring the opacity back to 100 again. And then now your two clips are seen like twins. Next, just tap on your overlay clip and then go to max and then select horizontal, this one, like this. And then in here we will create a smooth slide transition using keyframes. Just choose the point where you want the transitions to begin. For example, I will start in here and then add keyframes like this. And then position the mask upward so your first look is fully visible like this. And then adjust the feather a bit so to soften the edge. For example, like this. And then move the point where you want the transition to end. For example, I want to choose this point and then add another keyframes. And then drag the mask downwards until your second look fully appears. And then don't forget to make the feather into 0 like this, and then just drag the mask like this. And then now you will see that perfect glow up transformations like this. Like this. And then next, to make it more dramatic, just go to Effect and then choose Body Effects. And then search for Apparate 2, this one. Just tap on it. And then adjust the duration so it matches your transition from start to end. Like this, and then just go to Objects and then choose all videos. And then next, add keyframes at the beginning and end of the effect like this. And then at the start, increase the speed, and then at the end, just decrease the speed like this. This will give your glow up a dynamic cinematic touch. And okay, that's it. Your glow up split transitions is done. It will look like this. Okay, like this. You can use this effect for outfit change videos or makeup transformations or even style reels. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.